using content suggestions to find trending LinkedIn topics. Hey there everyone! You've just created a profile that is ready for business and an engaging company page to promote your stuff and generate leads. And you are ready to start building your presence and establishing authority. To do that, you have to create and share content that is relevant to the audience that you want to reach on LinkedIn. For this, you'll need to know what the topics are that this audience wants to talk about. And in this lesson, we're going to show you how to use the Content Suggestions feature to find out what are the hottest, trendiest topics on the platform. Getting started. To access the Content Suggestions feature, go to your LinkedIn account homepage and click on the Profile menu button. Next, click on the name of your company page under the Manage section to go to your company page feed. Once there, click on the Content tab in the Tools menu. This will take you to the Content Suggestions page. Using Content Suggestions. The Content Suggestions feature is, as you can see here, a powerful research tool that helps you to easily discover trending topics and conversations from top users and contributors. Here you can hyper-target the type of content that you'd like to discover, and LinkedIn will provide you with the best, most engaging content and the size of the audience for it. What you are going to do first is to select an industry to find content in one or more specific niches. You can type the name of the industry that you want to research into the Add an Industry field, or you can select it from the available industry filters below. When you select an industry, the page will load a collection of trending topics and articles from the last 15 days. If you want to see content from other topics that are not on the list, simply click on Add a Topic to add your own topic and load it into the results. Let's take a look at the Articles column. Here, you're going to find the latest articles for all the topics in the list. More importantly, you are going to see the engagement rate for each article right in the article card and the topics that it is related to. You can also narrow down your results to show you only articles in specific topics from the list. For this, simply click on a topic on the list to select it. This will load only articles related to that topic. Again, what is important for you to take note about is the engagement rate, the related topics, and the keywords in the article card. If you want to repurpose content from an article, you can simply click on the redirect link in the article card to read the content piece. You can also add more filters to your search, in case you want to find content for a very specific segment of your audience. Let's take a look at these filters. The first is the location filter. This filter allows you to select one or more locations to filter your results. By selecting locations as filters, you will only see articles that are popular in your selected locations. On the other hand, the job function and seniority filters will allow you to select filters to see articles targeted at specific departments and profiles. Please note that these filters, with the exception of location filters, are very narrow and very specific, and won't be of much use in the majority of cases. Another important piece of information that you have to take note of is the audience size. Here you'll find the number of users following and engaging with this content. This would give you an idea of the average number of people that you can reach by optimizing content using information from this page. And now that you have found relevant information to compose your content, you are ready to create your first post, and then an original article. Bonus strategy. You can use the Content Suggestions page to find content to curate daily. For this, you simply have to search content like we just showed you, find a relevant article, and to click on the Share button.